What is up, y'all, and welcome to the Real Ray Home Hair Academy, where we learn how to do a variety of different color things to our hair at home. And today is going to be the third and potentially final, probably not final, I'm sure I'll find more ways to use them, but the possibly final video where I'm using the Wella T10s. So I have bleached Susan and bleached her some more. And hopefully she still has hair on her head after we tone her because she has been put through the ringer, but it's okay. She told me that she's okay with a chemical haircut for science. All right, so I'm going to do the Wella 8 Ash T10, T11, T14, T13, T14, T13. I think it's T14, and then T18 on her head again. Sorry if you can hear Gidget in the background because she's being a real butthead right now, barking at the rain. Poodle life. Let's see if you can see her. Let's zoom in on her. Gidget. Gidget, do you hate the rain? Anyways, without further ado, let's get started toning Susan and see how these Wella toners turn out now that she is lighter and hopefully her hair is accepting of them. So we have Susan finally toned, and Susan finally toned, and I think she's looking good. Also, it is a freaking miracle that she still has any like hair left on her head. So in the front section, we did the 8A for 8 Ash. And so we did like the first 2 videos I've done, the how to tone orange hair with Wella and how to tone yellow hair with Wella videos. So we did, you know, the first section with the toner, and then the next section we added the violet. I don't know that I can tell like a huge difference here, or truthfully like any difference. Like, I'm gonna get some light on her so y'all can see. But it looks really good overall. I think it looks like way, way better than our previous tones. Let's turn her over here. On this little section, the first part, we did the T10, and then next to it, there's T10 plus violet. And that one, I do feel like I can tell a little bit of a difference. Let me, y'all, it's hard. I'm trying to hold this light so y'all can see like an adequate, like, realistic vision. Let me turn this around. Let's try this. How do we hold it like this? Okay, so we've got our, you know, 8 Ash, then plus violet. And then over here, I feel like you can almost see it like from the top better, but you can see right here is without the violet, and then here is gonna be with, so it's just a little bit less yellow. Not that there was like a crazy amount to start with for real. And then this back quarter was the T11, which I believe is like a beige color. I'll have to double check on that. But this T11 we did, this little strip will be without the violet and then with the violet, and it's like such a crazy subtle difference. And again, y'all, I've said this before in my videos, but you know, it's worth saying again that mannequin hair really does not accept color as well as human hair. And this poor mannequin's hair has definitely like been through the ringer in the, you know, over bleach department. Okay, so moving on, we have, you know, we did 8A, T10, T11. So this one is gonna be T14. And so I can tell like literally zero difference from where we added the violet versus where there's no violet. It also really, like this whole section is a really pretty color. I feel like it's like a nice naturally occurring color. It doesn't look like dingy or anything. So I think that's awesome. Yeah, I think it's probably my favorite of the colors we have going on here. And then on, like maybe you can tell, I don't know. I don't think you can. Okay, so then on this side, we have got the T18. And so we've got this little section was plus violet and no violet. So that one you can tell a difference, and the violet in this scenario actually I think added some warmth to it, which makes sense because you know violet is made from red and blue. So plus violet, no violet. But also still like really pretty colors. Overall, I think all of the toners look really nice. I think the 8 Ash, since it was put on such light hair and it was kind of like, you know, a little yellowy, I think that one almost looks like a little greenish to me, and kind of similarly with some of this like T10, but that might just be because it's next to that like 8 Ash. I'm trying to get the lighting right for y'all because it's so hard. It can look distorted if it's too bright or not bright enough. I just want you to have like a good clear picture of what she looks like in real life. So I think actually this like above view gives a good difference where you can see what's going on. So, you know, the front, we've got our darkest piece, the 8 Ash. There's our T10, T11, T14, T18. scoot over and watch the other videos that I did for the Wella toners. One's on orange hair and one's on, like, I don't know, medium yellow-ish hair. And let me know how you feel about all of them. Just talk to you a little up here. Let me know what toner you plan on using on your hair and how it works out. I cannot actually remember if I filmed an outro yet, so y'all kind of have me, you know, in my PJs, so please forgive me for that. I hope that these videos have been super helpful for y'all on your hair journeys. Let me know what sort of content you're wanting and what sort of questions you're having so I can build my next little few videos around that. All right, y'all, thank you so much for watching. Sorry for this like weird outro angle. If you enjoyed this video, do me a favor and hit that like button. And if you haven't already subscribed, do that for me. It helps me to grow my YouTube channel. And just for like a quick plug, I have been approved for Amazon affiliates and I'm hoping to get approved for a Sally affiliates program. You know, I'm just a little baby YouTuber right now, so they may or may not approve, but be on the lookout in the descriptions for affiliate links where you can click on them and buy what I'm using, and then I get like a small little commission, which would be super helpful for me since I am spending a ton of time making this content. Thanks again for watching this video, liking, subscribing, and you know, all the things, just being here for me. And I will see your beautiful faces so soon. It's the Real Ray and Susan. Bye.